Hello, everyone, and welcome to Activity Time. My name is Josephine, and my pronouns are she and her. Today, I'm going to show you a few ways that you can involve your child in the kitchen and encourage their learning.
Give your child responsibility. Children are more capable than sometimes we can recognize. As your child gets older, you can give them more responsibility in the kitchen, like being in charge of making their own breakfast or cutting up the fruit for their snack. This will help to foster your child's independence as well as encourage them to make healthy choices for their snacks. Another way you can encourage your child in the kitchen is by giving them a task. For children who are very independent, you can encourage their participation by giving them a small task such as peeling the bananas, mashing, or cutting. You can talk about the different textures of the foods, what they smell like, or even what they taste like. Allowing your child to explore the different foods before you cook them will encourage picky eaters to try new foods. And lastly, do it together. Children naturally want to be a part of the things that the important people in their lives are doing. That's why involving your child in the kitchen is a wonderful way to spend some quality time with them, as well as encourage them with healthy eating. The kitchen can also be a great place to teach your child about the rules and safety. Here, you can help to foster new fine motor skills like cutting or cracking an egg for older children. It's also a great way to experience and learn about math and literacy. You could use measuring cups or recipes to help encourage counting and problem solving.
Thanks for joining us, everyone. I hope you enjoyed those activities. See you next time. Bye.